everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 3 of all my fidgets. I hope you all have an amazing day and are having an amazing day. So yeah, let's get right into this. But before we do, like, subscribe, and put on notifications if you'd like. Feel free to comment, just be nice. Also, I'm so sorry that the comments don't work on every video. It annoys me too. So yeah, just go into a different video and comment somewhere else if you need to, because I do check my comments daily. So yeah, like, subscribe, and put on notifications in 5 seconds. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Did you do it? Comment down below if you'd like. Let's get right into this video. Last time I did poppets, dimples, stress balls so far. So now let's do the other stuff. Let's do squishies. I have this unicorn squishy, this squishy, this squishy, this lemon squishy, what I think is a lemon, cupcake, half of a ice cream cone that kind of looks like a cupcake now, ice cream cone, pumpkin, donut, burger, very slow rising, ice cream cone. It looks so green on camera, but it's like a light minty green. What's your favorite out of all the squishies? Little, medium, big. What's your favorite? Now, since we're only 2 minutes in, let's do more. I have 2 pea poppers. I have these sea urchins, this orange, a purplish pink, a blue, a green, and this big purple one. These acupuncture rings. And I also have these marble meshes. Blue, orange, red, yellow, green, and this design. A lot of them are missing, but I'll find them someday. Two big pop tubes, these little pop tubes. What's your favorite pop tube? Also, do you prefer tiny, the really tiny, the medium, or the huge? These tiny noodles, yellow, medium purple, green, purple, and 2 pink. And last but not least of this container, rainbow snapper. Now let's do this part. I have this like water heart thing. It's pretty cool and quiet for school. This mini green slinky. This cotton candy infinity cube. This cotton candy infinity cube, as I was saying. This galaxy infinity cube. This infinity cube. This fidget pad. This fidget cube. Well, fidget hectagon. This huge slinky with these marble things that keep attaching to it because they're metal. And a puzzle ball, and I also have a fidget cube, but I'm not sure where it is. What's your favorite infinity cube, and what's your favorite out of this? Now noodle. My mochis and noodles always overflow. This orange noodle, this green noodle, this clearer purple noodle. Sorry, I can't stretch them really right now because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. This textured, if you can see, blue cleary noodle, yellow noodle, textured pink noodle, blue noodle, textured yellow monkey noodle, clear noodle, and green clear noodle. And I meant yellow clear noodle. Now let's put them away. try that. That's cool. Textured, clear, and the other ones, the matte. That's what I'm going to call them, the matte. There we go. Then I have Wacky Tracks, a snake, and mochis, which I will show next video. Thank you all for watching. Have an amazing day. Stay crazy, stay sweet. Bye.